Unlock the secrets to Florence's culinary treasures as we reveal the street foods that will make your taste buds tango and leave you craving for more. But can you handle the sizzle, spice, and surprises that Florence's food scene has in store for you? Serving up smiles one dish at a time. Food is Thy Mood is now live. Hey there, Moody Foodies! Welcome back to the channel. Get ready to embark on a culinary escapade through the picturesque streets of Florence, Italy. While Florence is world-renowned for its art and history, it's also a food lover's paradise, boasting a delightful blend of street foods and dining experiences that will make your taste buds dance the tarantella. So tighten your belts and prepare for a gastronomic adventure you won't soon forget. 1. Gusta Pizza, where margherita dreams come true. Our first stop on this delectable journey takes us to Gusta Pizza, nestled in the hip and funky neighborhood of Santo Spirito. This pizzeria is more than just a pizza joint. It's an experience. Run by a couple of passionate guys hailing from Naples, Gusta Pizza serves up authentic Neapolitan-style pizza that's nothing short of amazing. Our absolute favorite? The €6 margherita pizza. It might not win any beauty contest, but with one bite, you'll experience a flavor explosion that will have you exclaiming, BAM! While you can certainly dine in the restaurant, we prefer to grab our pizzas to go and savor them while perched on the steps of a charming piazza, taking in the lively ambience day or night. Just be forewarned that in the evenings, the line can stretch a bit, and the wait may be around 30 to 40 minutes, but trust us, it's all worth it. 2. Coccoli, cuddles in your mouth. Our next culinary delight comes in the form of coccoli, which are essentially fried dough balls that are as comforting as a warm hug. The name coccoli itself means cuddles, and after tasting these delightful treats filled with prosciutto crudo and stracchino cheese, you'll understand why. While coccoli are often found as part of an aperitivo spread, some stalls offer them already stuffed, making them a convenient on-the-go snack. The combination of the crunchy, fried dough and the savory, creamy filling creates a sensation in your mouth that's akin to being wrapped in a cozy embrace. It's a perfect example of how simple ingredients can come together to create something truly delightful. 3. Gelato from La Strega Nocciola. Sorcery in a cone now? Let's take a break from the savory and indulge our sweet tooth at La Strega Nocciola, an artisanal gelato maker that crafts some of the creamiest, most heavenly scoops in Florence. We couldn't resist trying a trio of flavors: lavanda, crema buontalenti, and their signature La Strega Nocciola. The lavender gelato offers a unique floral flavor that's both refreshing and fragrant. Crema buontalenti, with its rich yellow hue, combines eggs and sweet wine for a distinctive taste that's oddly reminiscent of a sweet, egg-infused dream. These artisanal gelatos are stored in canisters because they're made with all natural ingredients and no preservatives. You can genuinely taste the difference. Once you've experienced artisanal gelato, you'll find it hard to go back to the mass-produced varieties. 4. Lampredotto, Florence's tripe delight. Now prepare to expand your culinary horizons with Lampredotto, a specialty of Florence that may initially make you squirm. Lampredotto is made from the fourth stomach of a cow, slow-cooked in a savory vegetable broth seasoned with aromatic herbs until it reaches the tenderness of a perfectly roasted beef. Traditionally, Lampredotto is served on a foglia, a crunchy, crumbly bun that resembles a leaf. It's dunked briefly in the flavorful tripe broth to soak up the essence without becoming soggy. The sandwich is then topped with salt, pepper, and a zesty salsa verde sauce. We visited Tripaio del Porcellino in Piazza del Mercato Nuovo, where they've been serving Lampredotto for over a century. Even if you're a bit squeamish about trying animal intestines, give it a shot. Lampredotto may surprise you with its squishy texture and intriguing flavor. It's a local specialty that's worth a taste. 5. La Fabulosa Panini from Allontico Vinaio, a panini extravaganza. Our penultimate stop takes us to Allontico Vinaio, a renowned eatery that's famous for its mouth-watering paninis. The La Favolosa panini is a €7 delight packed with sbriciolona salami, spicy eggplant, artichoke cream, and pecorino cream. This panini was even crowned the best street food in Italy in 2015. The secret to its perfection lies in the ingredients' freshness and the bread's exceptional quality. The schiacciata bread, a type of flatbread, serves as a canvas for these culinary masterpieces. It's crunchy on the outside yet delightfully soft and doughy on the inside, ensuring that each bite is a perfect blend of textures and flavors. You might wonder if the lines outside Atlantico Vinayo are worth it, but fear not. The staff efficiently handles the crowd, making the wait manageable. And the best part, you can enjoy your panini by the scenic Arno River, taking in the stunning views of Florence's iconic landmarks. Here's a bonus for all of you. Bistecca alla Fiorentina at Trattoria dell'Oste, a meat lover's dream. We've saved the grand finale for the most carnivorous among us. Florence wouldn't be complete without indulging in the famous Florentine steak, bistecca alla Fiorentina. This T-bone steak is a true delicacy that captures the heart of the city's food culture. Typically sourced from Chianina cattle and weighing anywhere from 1 to 4 kilograms, this steak is grilled over a wood fire. The result? A charred, flavorful crust on the outside, while the inside remains rare and juicy. It's seasoned simply with salt and served on a sizzling hot stone. Trattoria dell'Oste is a steak lover's paradise with multiple locations across Florence. While it may come with a hefty price tag, ranging from €85 and up, the experience is nothing short of extraordinary. You won't forget your first bite of this magnificent Florentine steak, and it's worth every cent. Florence's food scene is a vibrant tapestry of flavors, offering something for everyone. Florence has not only stolen our hearts but also filled our stomachs with culinary delights that we'll cherish forever. So when you find yourself in this charming city, follow your taste buds and savor every bite. And for even more mouth-watering food adventures, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel today. Grazie mille Florence for the unforgettable food adventure.